Hello everyone, good morning or good afternoon. How are you today? I'm good. Today we're going to make something funny. Today we're going to make an experiment together. Yes, tornado. Yeah, that will be so much fun. We will do it together and we will have a cool tornado. Ooh, I'm so excited today. Okay guys, but you know what to do. We need to dance first. After we dance, we need to make the experiment. Okay guys, stand up please. Let's dance like a gummy bear.
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear, 'cause I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving through the jam, singing gummy bear. Oh yeah, gummy, 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 gummy bear. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. Bunting, black, dolly, party, bunting, black, dolly, party, bunting, black, dolly, party, party, party. Bunting, black, dolly, party, bunting, black, dolly, party, bunting, black, dolly, party, party, party. Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear, 'cause I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving through the jam, singing gummy bear. Oh yeah. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. Gummy, 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 gummy bear.
Very good, gummy bears. I like this song. I like to dance with this song. Okay, so today let's make an experiment together. Woo! Okay, guys, let's take a look. What do we need for this experiment? Okay, first thing we need to know about what do we need for this experiment. Okay, this experiment's name is tornado battle experiment. Okay, tornado battle experiment. Do you want to see what it looks like? Okay, I'm going to show you first. Woohoo! Can you see what they are? These are two bottles. Yes, we have two bottles for this experiment, and we need a tape, and we need a glue gun and drillers. Yeah, that's we all need for this experiment. Okay, I will show you how does it work. Okay, you need it upside down this bottle and shake. And later you will see the tornado. You see, this is the tornado. The water goes from this bottle to the other one. Okay, so this is called tornado. You need to shake it. And you will see the tornado. Woo! How cool it is! Okay, so for this experiment, let's take a look. What do we need? First, we need a glue gun. Okay, this is like the glue, but also looks like a gun. Bang, bang, bang. So that's why we call this glue gun. Okay, this is a glue gun. You can find this everywhere. It's really cheap. I guess some of you have this glue gun in your house. Okay, we call this glue gun. Glue gun. Okay, this is the first thing we need for this experiment. Another thing we need are two bottles. Okay, guys, two plastic bottles. You can find them everywhere. You see, one, two, two plastic bottles. Let's say together, two plastic bottles. Very good. Okay, and we need a driller. Driller. Very good. But maybe some of you say, teacher, we don't have any drillers in our houses. But it's okay. With your mommy's and daddy's help, of course, your parents must help you. You cannot use the driller by yourself. It's very dangerous. So, also glue gun. Your parents, your mommies and daddies must help you. Okay, guys, you cannot do this experiment by yourself. So, if you don't have a driller, you can use scissors. Yes, why not? Because this driller or scissors for to make hole. Okay, we need to make hole at the top of the bottle. Okay, guys, we need drillers or scissors. The next one, we need a tape. Let's say it together. Tape. Very good. What is a tape? This is a tape. Okay, as you can see, this is a tape. We need to cover between two bottles because we don't want water go out from the bottles. Okay, that's why we need the tape. Okay, after the tape, how to make the experiment? How can we make it, teacher? Okay, so we will go step by step. Okay, guys, step by step together. So prepare your tools. Now we're going to make the experiment together. Okay, guys, first step. Empty the water bottles. Empty. Like drain the water out of the bottle. Okay, drain. You can go to the bathroom, or if you have flowers, you can drain the water. So you make them empty the water bottles. See, now they're empty. Okay, two water bottles. We need two. So you can prepare it. Go and prepare two water bottles. Okay, two empty water bottles. Very good. Okay, after that, next step. Drill two holes in the middle caps with a driller. So this is a driller. This is a cap. This is a cap. Okay, let me show you the cap. This is the cap. So this is the driller cap. So make drill two holes. Drill two holes in the middle. Okay, you must drill it into the middle of the cap. Two of them. Okay, we have two caps. That's why we need to drill them both into the middle. Okay, so this step we need to drill two holes, right? So if you don't have a driller, it's okay. As you can see, I will show you, but your parents must help you. Okay, you cannot do this by yourself. So you can use scissors. Okay, now I will show you. This is my scissor. So I'm going to make a hole over here. Here we go. See, I made a hole. Here you can see the hole. Okay, 2 holes could be on the same spot because we want water to drain from one bottle to the other. That's why we need 2 holes. Okay, guys, 2 holes. Don't forget 2 holes. 1 hole. Okay, first one is ready. Second one is ready. Let me see. I guess that will be fine. Okay, so my 2 holes are ready. Ta-da! So, next step. Teacher, what's the next step? Okay, I'm going to show you now what's the next step. Let me clean the caps. So first, empty the water bottles, drain the water, and second step, we need to drill 2 holes in the middle of 2 caps. Okay, here, this is the second step. Okay, that's the second step. So, third step, we need to glue 2 lids together. As you can see, 2 lids now we have, and we need to glue them together. It should look like this after you glue them. Okay, you need to glue them, and it must look like this. So we need the glue gun because glue gun is powerful. That's why glue gun can glue them together. It will be very strong. Okay, guys, so we need to plug this glue gun and prepare. Maybe after you plug this on, you need like 20 seconds or 20 or 30 seconds, I'm not so sure. So this glue gun will be ready. So you see this is very hot now. That's why I'm going to use this glue gun. Oh, sticky. Please don't touch. Please don't touch the glue gun. Please, guys, it's so hot. It's maybe harmful for you. It may burn your body, burn your hands. That's why you have to be very careful when you use a glue gun. Wow. I need to put these 2 caps together. Yes, almost ready. Okay, now we don't need glue gun anymore. We're done with the glue gun. Now we put 2 of them together. As you can see, we glue them. We need a glue gun because glue gun is very strong. Okay, as you can see, guys. So now let me make the hole clean. Okay, I use my scissors. Ta-da! I can see now. Okay, so it's ready. We finished this part. What's the next part? Let's take a look. Fill 2 bottles with water. Or we can fill just one bottle with water. So let me fill it now, okay? Or you can go and fill with me. Okay, almost half, or you can fill more than half, just a bit, not too much. So this will be fine. Okay, guys, we fill the water bottle. We fill the bottle with water. Then it's very easy. I need to use the cap and close this water bottle. Okay, and the other one also. Okay, make it tight. Your daddy or mommy can help you with this part. Okay, make it tight. And after that, we need to use the tape. Okay, let's use the tape. I have a yellow tape, maybe yours is different color. Okay, as you can see, I need to tape it. Okay, I don't want water to go out from these bottles. That's why I need to use the tape. And I want to make this strong, not too weak. Okay, now it's ready. Now let me cut the tape. Ta-da! It's ready now. You see, it's very easy, right? We need 2 empty bottles. Then we need to drill 2 holes in the middle of the caps. After we do this, after we finish, we need to glue them together. Then use the tape and make it strong. Then let's try. Okay, ready? 1, 2, up. What's the next step? Now the full bottle is turned upwards. Turn upwards and shake it. Woo! You can see the tornado. Okay, let me try again. So you can see the tornado. Shake, 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 shake. Oh. Let me take a look. Yes. Shake, 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 shake. Woo! Tornado! Yes, very cool, right? So one more time. Oh, tornado! Yes. Don't forget to make your holes big, okay, guys? Don't make the holes small. Make it big, not too big, not too small, okay? And don't forget to shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, and tornado. You will see the tornado. Okay, guys, that was fun today. We did a cool experiment together. Tornado. It's time to say goodbye for today. I'll see you in the next experience we will make together. Bye-bye.